Here we have circuit IV, which is given by ChatGPT. And and here's what ChatGPT gave me. Gave me the text schematic and the components, how it works. I asked ChatGPT to describe the circuit just for more detail. So here's a hardware of what AI gave me. Here we have the 330 ohm resistor, the blue LED, the same NPN transistor, the 2N3904, and here we have a 10K ohm resistor, and we have the same, we're using the same LDR. So let's turn the circuit on. We're still using 9 volts since it was recommended by AI. And right now, it's not fully working. I mean, there's a difference in brightness when the LED is covered, but it doesn't turn off completely. But there is this difference, demonstrating that AI isn't able to design successful circuits. This shows that AI is very knowledgeable in like the concept, but it needs more approximation in order for the circuit to fully work.